Hi everyone, this is Missy with a quick explanation about the new link field. So the new link field is where you can put your virtual meeting links now in addition to something in the location field. Instead of one or the other, now you can have both. So also the benefit is you can use the underscore web link underscore operand in your custom messages, and it will pull out this information and keep it current at all times. So for instance, if I put this information in and then I put this operand in my custom message and I sent the email out to my client, this is what they would receive with the meeting link in it. And when they click on that meeting link, it will take them to this link. The reason that that's helpful is because you could have changed that link a million times if you wanted to, but they will always get the most current information. So if you start a job and you don't have the Zoom link yet, but you still want to send the rest of the job info out, it will always have this open field. And then when they click on the link, it will have the current information with the current Zoom link or other virtual meeting link that you put in. I hope that makes sense. Give me a call if you have any questions at all.